Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre, the Daily Trader. It is January 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So, Happy New Year, everybody. It is 2023. Let's hope that this is going to be a great year. Let's hope that the war with Ukraine is going to end. Let's hope that inflation is going to come down because it's not easy for many people. So let's hope that things are going to get better. Let's take a look at Tesla for this first day of 2023, the first trading day. So Tesla closed down $15.08. That's 12.24% down, closed at 108.10. Post market, we are down by a further 13 cents. What seems to have caused this descent is partly because the production numbers came out, the production numbers and the delivery numbers, and they fell short of the analysts' estimate. The stock is cratering a little bit. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. If you remember last week, we had a little bit of a move up that was getting very close to this downward resistance. It could have been possible that we crossed that resistance. It did not happen, but it was perfectly possible. The move was nice on the 1 hour chart. And now we are coming back down. We are crossing again 111.42, which is the support right here. And I have no chance but to do a double support kind of thing for those who know this channel. If we look at what happened on December 27th and December 28th, is that we came a little bit lower than 111.42. And then we went back up from there. So it means that the support at 111.42 did not hold precisely enough, so that this is why I am creating this double support concept, which is showing the real support that was hidden very close to 111.42. And if we take the low of December 28th, it is exactly the bottom of the candle that was made today. So there are no coincidences, and then we'll see what is going to happen tomorrow if we are going to go lower or not. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to understand how this happened today. So last time we closed just a little bit above 122.29, which was our support right here around December 22nd. And it was also used as resistance right here because we could not cross it. We crossed it on December 22nd at 9:30, the 9:30 candle. Then we came back underneath it, and we succeeded during the last hour of the last trading day of 2022 to cross back above it. This was a buy signal in itself. This was a buy signal on the 1 hour chart. Stochastic was over 60. We had broken a horizontal resistance, blah, blah, blah. This was all great. In terms of the context of this, we had a downward resistance that was very close. So we could have gone up today, up to that resistance, and then maybe cave in. But the stock was just lower than that and weaker than that. So we opened with a gap down. So first hour, we came back down to 111.42. Then we went to this new double support thing at 108.37 at the first hour. And now we cannot go back above 108.37. I'm just afraid to say that this is not looking good for tomorrow. We cannot even go back above 108.37, which was used as a support, as I just mentioned. And stochastic on the 1 hour chart is quite low at 17. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. Let's go back to the daily chart. So let's look at our indicators on the daily chart. Stochastic is coming back lower at 378. RSI never left the oversold position, but now it's even deeper in there at 2486. And it's at 30 that RSI is getting outside of the oversold position. MACD is just stabilizing a little bit, but still bearish, and the MI is also quite bearish. Yeah, it seems that 111.42 is not even holding. So I'm afraid to say, but next significant support, if we look at what we saw in mid July 2020, we had some resistance. We had some support right here at $91. It's really possible that Tesla is heading down to that direction. Right now, we need to assume that we are going towards that number unless we see a reversal and we start crossing back this downward resistance. If we don't cross this downward resistance, it just means that we are going to crater even more. So it might be sad, but we cannot change the market. We can only observe the market and change our behavior. It's not the market that need to change its behavior for us. It's us that we need to change our behavior for the market. And when the market is in a downtrend, personally, I don't buy. I never buy except for just a short-term gain once in a while. But when a stock is in a downtrend, this is like trying to catch a falling knife. You should not do it. You should just let it go down. And then as soon as it starts breaking a downward trend, when it's going to break this downward resistance, then then we can start thinking about getting back in, but not before that. This is my opinion. This is not financial advice. You do your own research and make your own decisions. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great 2023. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.